Hello there, this is Billy from Hong Kong. Yesterday I created this Adruboy clone on a breadboard using a 0.92 inches OLED. Today I upgraded it to a 1.3 inch OLED, but with a different driver, a different controller chip. You can see the size comparison side by side. Left is the 0.92 inch, right is the 1.3 inches. The controller is called SH1106. Seems not doing too well because the flicker seems to be more, and but it's double the price of the 0.92 inch OLED. So I'm ordering a SSD 1309 1.5 inch. I hope it will look better. Thanks for watching.